Have you ever wondered why your toddler isn't picking up on language, or why he or she seems to be in a world of their own? How do you really know if their behaviors are typical or if they warrant further evaluation? Have you ever wondered if your child has autism? Hi, I'm Susan, school psychologist with Growing Character. In this video, I'm going to show you how a typically developing 16-month-old girl engages with the world. I'll clearly point out 9 signs of typical development versus what you might expect with a child on the autism spectrum. Let's take a look. Number 1.
Hello.
This 16-month-old spontaneously greets others. Here, she looks at her daddy, waves, and says "Daddy," all at the same time. She also responds to greetings.
Hi.
Number 2.
Ellie. Hi.
She consistently looks up and makes eye contact when her name is called.
Elara. Hi.
Number 3. She engages in a social smile.
Hi.
Whenever I smile at her, she smiles right back. Number 4. She shares her interests with others. Babies are eager to draw your attention to things they're interested in by pointing to things and then looking back up at you to see your expression. They bring you into their world by gesturing,
Fish.
giving you items, and showing you things.
Yeah.
Number 5. Not only does this 16-month-old enjoy interaction, she shares that enjoyment with others by smiling and laughing while looking at you. She seeks out interaction, and even when the fun stops for a second, she tries to continue the play.
Is that a car? Yeah.
By 13 months, children begin to learn by observing others and copying what they do and say.
Ellie, can you do
Notice
this?
how she imitates actions, gestures, and words, all while looking up and directing her imitations towards me. By 16 months old, babies are beginning to understand language and can respond to simple questions.
What does the cow say? Moo. What does the donkey say? Yes, exactly.
Notice how she shifts her gaze to look at the person talking to her and then responds.
What is that?
Monkey.
It's a monkey?
Monkey.
Albeit not always with the correct answer.
What does the pig say?
Number 8. Babies learn to use gestures as early as 9 months old, but by 16 months, they are letting others know what they want, what they don't want, by gesturing, using words, and looking, all at the same time. And number 9. While nonverbal communication like pointing and gesturing is still a 16-month-old child's primary means of communicating, they're often able to say 5 to 7 words with a growing vocabulary daily. Here you can see that this baby is directing her requests and even her babbles toward the person she's interacting with.
That is a ball, you're right.
Every child develops at a different rate. However, by and large, these 9 signs develop naturally among children and don't need to be specifically taught. If you're finding that your child has difficulty with many of these areas, that may signal a need to conduct a screening or a diagnostic evaluation for the presence of autism. You may want to seek further evaluation if your child is not looking up at you, not sharing their interests with you regularly, not consistently responding to your calls or greetings or questions, not imitating or beginning to pretend in play, not gesturing or picking up language, if they show an excessive interest in particular objects, if they show unusual reactions to sights, sounds, or textures, or if they repeat unusual movements over and over again, such as spinning, rocking, or lining up objects. Autism is a developmental disability that can be diagnosed in children as young as 18 to 24 months of age, but not often until age 4 or 5. Early detection and early intervention can have a lifetime of positive impact for children on the spectrum. I hope this video gives you the insight to be able to recognize some of the signs that can help you get your child the help and support they need from an early age. Don't forget to check out my other videos on autism and subscribe to my channel, Growing Character. See you next time.